With KHON2 weather, Justin Cruz.
Had a mix of everything today, including sunshine, a few windward showers, and gusty winds. Currently 74 degrees with winds at 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, the winds are going to pick up again, especially in the heat of the afternoon, and especially for areas that are experiencing downsloping winds. So that's what we've got as far as weather threats, that and surf. And then later this week, the strong winds subside, the heavy rain threat goes up. So we're dealing with some showers tonight. We'll have a few more numerous showers, but we do dry up, comparatively speaking, by tomorrow. It's really Friday and Saturday and this weekend that we could see some heavy rain, especially over the eastern half of the state. So the Big Island, as well as portions of Maui County. We'll keep an eye on this for you because the weekend does look somewhat socked in at this point, and showers may be active all the way through Tuesday of next week. Wet season in full swing. Again, our winds are going to be gusting winds to 50 miles per hour through Wednesday. Then the winds take a break, and then the heavy rain threat increases starting Friday into the weekend and next Tuesday. The Kauai radar is out, so it's not showing anything, but it's only been light showers for Kauai this afternoon. I checked the rain gauges. Of course, windward Oahu with this quick passing stuff, nothing heavy, but a little bit more frequent as we move into Maui County, especially East Molokai, West Maui, and even a Haiku area all the way in through Hana this afternoon. And of course, Hilo, Hamakua, and windward Ka'u. Kona did see a few pop-up showers, but that's already starting to clear out. 7 to 10 for the east side. A rare high surf advisory strictly due to strong trade winds, no more than 3 or 4 footers for the north, west, and south shores. So windy days ahead. We're not done yet. By midweek, it'll start to calm down, and then we pick up high rain chances even this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, with possible isolated thunderstorms, 70% chance of rain.